Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to empty the recycle bin on your Windows 10 PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Settings app by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. From there, click on System and then Storage. Step 2. In the Storage settings, you'll find an option called Temporary Files. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Under the Remove Temporary Files section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Empty Recycle Bin. Select this checkbox. Step 4. Finally, click on the Remove Files button to confirm and empty the recycle bin. By regularly emptying your recycle bin, you can free up valuable storage space on your Windows 10 PC. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your system running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.